Hi guys, it is Mrs. LeMay and welcome back for another mini phonics lesson. Our lesson objective for today is I can decode and read words with an open syllable pattern. All right, but the first thing we need to know is what are my vowels? A-E-I-O-U, A-E-I-O-U. Okay, and remember my vowels make short vowel sounds and they make long vowel sounds. What are my short vowel sounds? A, I, A. What are my long vowel sounds? A-E-I-O-U, A-E-I-O-U. All right, we just started skill 12 with closed syllable words. You will need a whiteboard, marker, and eraser. Go, pause the video if you need to. Okay, you should have a whiteboard, marker, and eraser. We're going to start with some real words because skill 12 is kind of tricky. I just wanted to go over some real words first, and then in some of the later videos we'll throw in some fake words. Okay, your first word is A. P-E-X. It's a short one. Make sure you have it spelled correctly. Okay, let's go through. First, let's mark our vowels. And let's figure out where we should divide it. Okay, we have two vowels. There's only one consonant in between, so the line could either go on this side or it could go on this side, okay, between the A and the P or the P and the E. Now, every single one of these will have an open syllable. So I want you to think about that. If we put it right here, are either one of these an open syllable? No, these are both closed, okay? So it does not go there. It goes on this side. My line is not very straight at all. We're going to pretend like it is. Okay. So now we have this side. It is open. Sound of my vowel, A. Remember they say their name, A. Or We can try it out when we pronounce our word. Okay. And then what about this one? It is closed, apex. Whole word, apex or apex. It's actually apex. You might have heard of like Apex Theater. All right, next word. B. A-N-J-O. Make sure your word is spelled correctly. Let's go ahead and mark our vowels and divide our word. Go for it. This one was a little easier to divide. Okay, let's look at our first syllable. It is closed, ban. This one is open, o-jo. Whole word, banjo, banjo. Okay, last one. E, Q, U, A, L. Make sure your word is spelled correctly. Let's mark our vowels and divide our word. Go for it. Now, this one is a little tricky as well. So we have two vowels. We have two consonants-ish in between, right? U is technically not a consonant. It is a vowel. However, when U is with a Q, they go together. They always go together. Q and U have to be together. So we cannot separate them. Okay? So we are going to divide right here. U doesn't count as a vowel when it's with Q because Q and U have to go together to make the qua sound. Okay, so then let's look at our first syllable. It is open, E. Okay, let's look at this. It is closed, A. Whole word, equal, equal. Does that sound like a word you know? Equal, equal. Awesome. I want you to read these three words to somebody sitting next to you. They're going to read the three words to you. Go ahead and pause the video. Okay, last thing we're going to do is some fluency practice. We've still got the house that Jack built. All right, let's go ahead and look at it. Okay, so last time you might have got through the whole thing, but maybe you didn't, and that's okay. Remember, our goal is for smoothness and accuracy. Smoothness and accuracy. This is the dog that worried the cat, that killed the rat, that ate the malt, that lay in the house that Jack built. Okay, so you're working up to it. And remember, if maybe you could only get 1 and 2 smooth last time, great. See if maybe you could add 3 on. If you can do all of it, then maybe try and go a little faster, but make sure you're still smooth and still accurate. Okay, I want you to read this 2 times to somebody sitting next to you. They're going to read it 2 times to you. Have a super fantastic day, and I'll see you later. Bye, guys.